Hello and welcome to our channel. Today is this video is regarding mantra device, which is a finger scanner. This is the unboxing. So you can see that this one I purchased from Desert Cart. Before I start, let me explain you some brief idea that this mantra I am going to use for myself, Jivan Praman, that certificate, जीवन प्रमाण. सो बेसिकली जो हमारे देश के जो लोग हैं, भारतवर्ष के जो पेंशनर लोग हैं, और वो चाहते हैं इफ़ दे वांट टू यूज़ दिस डिवाइस फॉर देयर पर्सनल जीवन प्रमाण सर्टिफिकेट टू जनरेट जो नॉर्मली जो बैंक अकाउंट के साथ पेंशन सेक्शन में देना पड़ता है, तो उसके लिए है. तो दैट्स वाई आई एम परचेजिंग बिकॉज समहाउ आई कैन नॉट विजिट टू those bank or some site. Actually I am outside the country. मैं भारत के बाहर से हूँ. तो मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन थे, या तो ये डिजिटल जीवन प्रमाण पत्र क्रिएट किया जाए, या आई शुड गो टू सम एम्बेसी एंड टेक द माय सर्टिफिकेट. So I purchase mantra first from try to purchase from Amazon, but unfortunately the day I am supposed to receive, I got the information that they cannot deliver because they received the faulty unit. So they cancel my order, and hopefully I'll get my refund. So the same day I make a purchase online with Desert Cart. So you can see this logo I purchased. They are very helpful, and that's why I purchased it, and it came on time as per the plan. And they have also online details when this item is collected, how is the vein, so you know the procedure. So I'm unboxing just to show you what comes with that. So the idea is to just unbox it and then try to explain you that how it can be configured with your laptop. So you need a laptop to use this device. So let me unbox and show you. Open this, you will find this box. So you will find this box, mantra. Let me keep side, and this is a packing material they keep for the safety of this device, which is very good. Now this is your mantra device. You can see this this is MFS 100. This is the mantra device, and so we open this. This was also sealed. This was, when I received it, was sealed with the sellotape, and it was very good. It was new. And then I will do like this, and you can see this. Inside you'll find, this box. We keep it separate. So inside you'll find there's a cleaning cloth. I think velvet, or they call it. This is a microfiber. They sometimes cloth they call it, which is very good for cleaning the the sensor for this one. And then there is a manual. There is a manual for this one, which is very important. And this is very important. Keep it because you need this manual for you to read to proceed this one. And if you see the main device, so basically you get one device like this. So this is your device, correct? And this is the cable, and they also give this link cable if you want to use on the Android phone or something, I believe that one. So this cable is required to be with Android. So if you want to use Android phone, but I will not be using on Android because unfortunately I don't have any Android phone. So I have only Apple, so that is no use. We cannot do on the Apple phone. So this one. So this will be connected to your laptop, your PC. This will be connected to PC. So, and So this goes like this. This is we get the cleaning, when you want to use test, this is for this one. So this is good. Now, so this unboxing is done. So basically, now if you want to use this device to be used to create a जीवन प्रमाण सर्टिफिकेट, which is from हमारे देश की जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की जो वेबसाइट है, तो वहाँ से उसको कर सकते हैं हम. That I'll cover the detail into the further. And so basically, if you want to connect this to laptop, you will connect to laptop. And if you see here, there is a address here. Download. On this manual, you will find one address. I think you can see here, this is HTTP, service mantra, .com agree. So this is the first download link you can see here. So this is already mentioned here. You can click that one, and from there you can get the info. For this one, basically, you need to download the RD service, RD service, and that's all. And I believe maybe you need the driver also for this one. You should know. You should be able to download from the link. But driver, it is not necessary. Sometimes when you connect this to your laptop, so what happens when you connect to your laptop, because this is a USB device, also it will download on your PC automatic is a driver. So there are some chances, more than 50% or 70%, that it will automatically download the drivers for this mantra device. So that's all. This is what, and then so next step will be on the next same step, I'll show you how to use this one to your laptop. Thank you. So friends, to create a Jeevan Praman certificate, to be created from your laptop, so you need this application. So for that, this is the website, jeevanpraman.gov.in. So आप देख सकते हैं जीवन प्रणाम है, और देखिए बगल में इसमें आप डायल में जाएंगे तो ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है, this like that. And then so first thing you have to download the sorry for some video may not be proper because I am using my mobile. मैं अपना मोबाइल यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है कि आप लोगों को एक मैसेज इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है, किसी को ज़रूरत है तो वो इन्फॉर्मेशन ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है. सो you just make this jeevanpranam.gov.in, and then this website will open, and then you go website, then you have to go down, you need to go down, how to work. You'll find these are the procedure, what to do. Of course you need an Aadhaar card and SYZ, so Aadhaar card will come at the later stage, but you need the first application to get a certificate. So you can do with the PC, with the mobile, correct? And the other government, some other dealer, other thing. So mobile, if you have Android phone, then Mantra you can use. If you don't have a mobile phone with Android application, use the PC. This you have to download. The PC, download this Windows 7, something like that, enable. So this application you need this, download the PC, mobile, tablet application to register for life certificate. So this one you have to download. So you have to click this one. So you have to click this one, and then it will start download document. So you can download the document also. This document will, if you read this document, you will know the procedure. So you can download this document to read that one. So this is also helpful. And then there is a information here, captcha code, and this captcha you have to type, correct? And you have to put the email address. When you put the email address, so what will you get? This file will go to your email address, and from there you can download this PC application for this Praman, Jivan Praman certificate to create all this. So first thing that you have to log into this website, and then you have to put your email ID here, enter email ID, and then you put here this code here, JV type, and I agree down, because I will not do, because already I have done it. I don't want to do unnecessary, to do this one. So then this will be, this link will come to your email ID. So next step, I'll show you how this email ID comes there. Okay, thank you. So now you see that you get like something like this on your email, correct? This is a Jivan Pranam, no reply, dear, for Jivan Pranam installer, please download the below link. So what happened? This one you have to download. You can, when you do download, you can save to some of the folders. My document or something you can create, you can save the folder. And when this is basically a zip file. So I'll show you how the zip file comes. Okay, so from there you give the email ID, and then it will come in the same time, in a few seconds it will be. So this is the link, it will come on your email. So okay, so that one you have to click it, and this will click, and this you can store into save as in some of the folder. You can save that whole zip file. Yeah, thank you. So you can see that the zip file, which is this one, Jivan Praman installer W, and actually this one, when you unzip, extract, then you will find this other wicket. The mantra I have created myself, it is not in there. So this I created a mantra folder from my side, it is not from. So you'll find only this zip file. So this zip file you have to unzip, extract here. So it will extract here as like this. So this is extracted file for the Jivan. This is from the government website. You click it, you see only this Jivan Praman, that website will send you this information. Client, this is the Jivan Pranam client, and then you have a, this one, this is basically a PDF file which will show you how to do and all these things. This is your client, that you have to install it, and this will inbuilt your driver. So जो मंत्रा का जो RD driver है, ये already है इसके अंदर. If you click this one, you will get some link. Means there are many brands are there. आपके पास मंत्रा नहीं दूसरा है तो उसको let's click what you see here. So this three information will from the from the email, from the Jivan Pranam website. Yeah. So if I click here, so you find this one, I get some kind of devices, mantra device, other devices information. So from there also you can download, like a mantra services are there, download here. So Android, our is this one, Windows. So from here also you can download the mantra one. So this is good. So if you see, this is very useful. So driver you don't need to download from the separate website. So आप जो जीवन प्रमाण, actually I'm not able to speak, जीवन प्रमाण जो वेबसाइट से जो आपको लिंक हुआ है, तो you download and then you have all the information from here. And this application is जीवन, this is application, and this application you have to run. And when you run this application, you have to add your Aadhaar card information, India का जो एक फ़ोन नंबर चाहिए, मोबाइल नंबर चाहिए, because there is a OTP will be generated, and that way this application will be first you have to register, and this is the procedure here, how to register, so this is your application, and this is your procedure, this is like information. So it is a 14 page, very good information, that gives you what you are doing, all this one information, how to download. So you will get like this one. So this is your Jivan Praman Pensioner Life Certificate, Operator Authentication. What is it? Authentication. So it means first you have to register your device on your name. So you should have a Aadhaar card number, Aadhaar your valid number, like a digit number. Then you have a mobile number. This is your mobile number, and this is your, where is on? Yeah. So you have Aadhaar number, then your mobile, India का कोई मोबाइल नंबर चाहिए आपको, और ये आपको email address चाहिए, and then you generate OTP will come. The moment OTP come, you will go to next step, change something. Yeah. So this is the book information. So after once you registered it, then you can create for pensioner. So that will be, then only it will pop up. That device will be there. So this way, this is very informative. This manual, this is basically a user manual, you can say. This one. This basically, so read through, there are 14 or 16 pages. Go through this one. This is very helpful. Yeah. Thank you. Now I'll connect my device, so that some of the features you have to, I'll show you, so that is very handy. Now here you see the time. This time is your local time. So if you are outside the country, अगर आप भारत देश से बाहर हैं, किसी और देश में हैं और आपने वहाँ मंत्रा डिवाइस बनाया है, तो आप टाइम चेंज करके आप इंडिया का टाइम कर दें इसको, ठीक है ना। आप इसको टाइम को बिफोर यू स्टार्ट योर एप्लीकेशन, मंत्रा एप्लीकेशन, और आप जो ये जीवन प्रमाण लाइफ सर्टिफिकेट आप जो बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं आधार कार्ड से जो लिंक है, सो यू नीड टू चेंज द टाइमिंग. सो बेटर वी स्टार्ट before you start this timing, and if depend upon your which country you are, so go put to the Indian Standard Time. So I think this is very good because the server is sync from there. So I will connect my device, which is this one. You can see, sorry for the different video, because now I connect this and okay, I'm connecting this, and so if you see here, some sound came, but the client does not come. So this is how this will be connected, the USB. Yeah. So you can see just now, after some time it came, device attached. So in the right, on the right corner bottom, you will get this indication that framework is ready to use mantra. So it gives pop up and this device is ready. So when the drivers everything ready, and at that time only it will come. So when you download this Jeevan Praman application, this will look like this, correct? Before you start this Jeevan Praman application, make sure that your mantra device is drivers are uploaded, and the RD services is also upload configure, and on the loaded on this laptop. Yeah. So if I connect this, let's see what will happen. Actually I'm seeing through this one, where this yeah. So this is comes here, Jeevan Praman application. I double click. So yeah, so here this window comes. So it's again asking Jeevan Praman pensioner life certificate. So this is asking, again I think I need to authenticate this one. Jeevan Praman pensioner life certificate, pensioner authentication. This one again I have to do it, I believe, or maybe I have to run the service. So Aadhaar number will come here, mobile here, and the OTP will come. So again it will register, I believe, that one. Yeah. So this is the I see how it is coming. Yeah. Thank you. So the final step is that before you run your Jeevan Praman application, I think you need to run your mantra configuration. So this is icon you will see in your laptop. This one you have to run it. Double click, and then you see this is a proxy setting has come. So in fact I created, but I don't feel anything. I think maybe it's required for some more information, but you need to run this proxy setting. I have put test proxy. It's a proxy. Okay. So I am I did not follow. I was a little bit confused regarding this one, but I think this may be required with you are doing with the management or something. But for single user, you just open it and keep it running. Just keep it aside, just keep it running. Just keep it running. Then you come to your Jeevan Praman. This one, double click, and you are ready to your pen. So here, it is because this my is already configured. So Jeevan Praman pension life certificate. This is the creation. So somebody will come, like if you want to do, you put your Aadhaar card here, and then your India mobile number. If you are outside your India, no issues. You keep the SIM put into mobile and keep it on. And that way, if you are outside the अगर भारत देश से बाहर भी हैं तो आपको SMS आएगा वहाँ पे ये सर्विस है. सो उसके बाद आप अपना ईमेल करेंगे, जनरेट OPTP करेंगे. तो उसके बाद इट विल गो टू नेक्स्ट स्टेप वेर यू हैव टू पुट योर name, account number, and other things like your PPO, pension order, number detail, and then your certificate will be created online. And उसके बाद क्या है कि it will be shown on the screen. Also, it will be on the I think there's some website also it will come there. If you click that there, and the same mobile OTP will come, and then you can download your Jeevan Praman certificate, and that you can email to your concerned bank for second option to be sure that they received on email. And hopefully I have explained. This is for Jeevan Praman certificate creation with mantra on your laptop. Thank you and good luck. And I'm sorry for a poor video. The idea is to share the information if somebody can get help, that Jeevan Praman Patra also can be, certificate can be created if some reason somehow you are outside the country for like maybe you are on visit, or you are with your parent, with your son, with your or friend, or maybe timing you are working in some outside and you cannot visit to India, especially bank. So hopefully this is helpful, and mostly I think this is more useful for the persons who are outside the country. भारत देश से जो बाहर उनके लिए वो शायद हेल्पफुल हो. Thank you very much, and have a great day, a lovely time. God bless you. Take care of yourself and the surrounding. Thank you very much. Bye bye.